In the fast-paced modern world where stress and anxiety seem to be constants, finding inner peace and wellness can feel like an elusive goal. As a wellness coach dedicated to guiding individuals towards holistic well-being, I, Alison Shaw, wholeheartedly recommend Giovanni Dienstmann's meditation courses and coaching as invaluable tools for catalyzing positive changes. Through my own journey and witnessing the transformations of countless clients, I'm excited to introduce you to one of them, John Burnside, whose life has been dramatically impacted by Giovanni's teachings. In addition to John's testimonial, I have had the privilege of documenting the journeys of several other clients who have experienced significant life changes through meditation. These videos serve as inspiring reminders of the power we each hold within us to transform our lives for the better. Watch John's story and discover the potential that lies within you.
Hi everyone, I'm John Burnside. I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit overflowing with joy. I owe a debt of thanks to someone whose impact on my life has been nothing short of transformative. Allison, thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my story, and to express my deepest appreciation to Giovanni and his remarkable meditation course. Just a few months ago, I was navigating life with a sense of restlessness and unease. The daily stresses of work, relationships and personal challenges weighed heavily on my mind, and I found myself searching for a sense of inner peace that always seemed just out of reach. It was in this state of longing that I stumbled upon Giovanni's free meditation course, and little did I know it would change everything. From the moment I began practicing Giovanni's techniques, I felt a shift within me. With each guided meditation session, I learned to quiet the chaos of my thoughts and connect with a deeper, more profound sense of self. Through mindfulness and breathwork, I discovered an inner sanctuary of calm and clarity that I never knew existed. But it wasn't just the techniques themselves that brought about such profound change, it was Giovanni's coaching and guidance that truly worked magic in my life. His wisdom and compassion served as a beacon of light, illuminating the path towards self-discovery and personal growth. With his gentle encouragement and unwavering support, I found the courage to confront my fears, release past traumas, and embrace a future filled with infinite possibility. The benefits of meditation are truly astounding. Not only has it helped me manage stress and anxiety more effectively, but it has also enhanced my overall well-being in ways I never thought possible. I sleep more soundly, I approach challenges with greater resilience, and I experience a deep sense of gratitude for the beauty and abundance that surrounds me each day. But perhaps the most profound transformation of all has been the way in which meditation has opened my heart to love and connection. By cultivating a greater sense of presence and compassion, I've formed deeper connections with those around me, and have experienced a profound sense of unity with all living beings. So Allison, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving me this platform to express my gratitude to Giovanni, and to share the incredible journey of transformation that meditation has brought into my life. To Giovanni, wherever you are, know that your teachings have touched the lives of countless individuals, mine included, and have sparked a ripple effect of healing and growth that extends far beyond what words can express. In closing, I invite each and every one of you to embrace the practice of meditation with an open heart and a spirit of curiosity. You never know where this journey may lead you, but I can promise you this: it will be a journey worth taking.
So, there you have it. Straight from John. You can tell by his enthusiasm that he's grateful for discovering Giovanni's teachings. And no wonder. Giovanni is one of the top 5 meditation coaches in the world. You could enjoy the same euphoric experience that John is so happy about. Right now, for a period of time, Giovanni is offering an introductory course on meditation absolutely free. All you need to do to access his course is click on the link in the description box below this video. And while you're down there, please help spread the word about Giovanni's free course by giving us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time.